Hi friends, I had a couple of questions about phonics today. So I wanted to give you a quick tutorial. So today is Wednesday and on the landing page it says Long a Book Creator. And I'm going to go ahead and get into the phonics tab into this week. And today is Wednesday. So this is something that says Wednesday, Thursday, and I said Friday. I gotta fix that. You are going to use your Spelling City login that was shown in small group on Monday and Tuesday. Remember, that's just your C Driscoll 000, C Driscoll 000, whatever yours is. The first pretest activities were done in the small group, and you can reuse those pics to add to the book creator. And then it asks you to work through the remaining pages and Spelling City activities to practice. Our final assessment and the book creator will be completed by Friday. So we're just trying this out to see how it goes so that you have enough practice with the phonics words. So you're going to tap on your book creator link. It's going to think for a second what it wants to do. And it's going to say unsupported file type. Remember, when you do a book creator, then you have to hit the three dots, open in. It's preparing and thinking. And then we can get the options to open in Book Creator. So now here is my Book Creator. I'm probably going to add my name to the Book Creator. I would say Mrs. Driscoll. And there we go. All right, here the first page just gives us the words and the patterns that we've been practicing. This one says pretest and pretest. This is your vocab test score from the other day and your spelling test score from the other day. You're just going to put a picture of those. You're just going to put a picture of those in there. So whatever your score was. So if this was my score, I would put it here. Then I would have another one. So for my vocab and for spelling. We did this in small groups already. Then this is a pattern sort. You're going to read each word aloud and sort each word into the correct category. Playful. It goes in the AY. Playful. Shake. Just with one A. Shake. Faint. And I just keep going until I'm done. My next page asks me to read each word to build automaticity, and I should be able to read, write, and spell these words. So I would just do a build automaticity. State, shade, stay, tray, grade. Make sure that I understand those. The next one asks me to listen to each word and then write each word neatly on the line with the pen tool. So I'm going to listen to the word.
Able. Are you able to run in the race today?
So I heard the word able. So very neatly with my pen tool, I'm going to write the word able. It's neat and I can read it. Then I would do the rest of them and do the same thing. The next page is an interactive text. Read the text. Follow these directions. Circle 5 long A words. Then answer, how did the title tell help you figure out what it would be about? Then you would write your answer or type your answer neatly in this space here. The next page asks you to go to the practice activities in Spelling City. The link is right in here for you. I would open this in Safari. If it gives you the option, it probably will function better. Then I'm going to go here and remember that my thing is the C Driscoll 000, and again the same thing, C Driscoll 000. And remember, it's going to be the same thing for you, but it's your password. Remember, it's repeated. We did this in small group on Monday. Once you log in, you have those activities, and you'll work through those activities this week to become proficient. There's another accountable text for you to read. You can read that and find those long A words. The next one says recording of you reading each word to build automaticity. I'm going to use the recording tool and I'm going to read the words. State, shade, stay, tray, grade, paint, just like we do in live lessons. And then I would be able to see and listen to you read those. If you're ready for a challenge, you can create a personal challenge list that includes words that have these same patterns. So that is up to you if you want that challenge. And you can type or write your words that you come up with in each category. Then the final thing is at the end of the week on Friday-ish, you're going to do the final vocab test and the final spelling test. I will get the results, but you will also screenshot what that is right in here. So you'll screenshot your final results to both of those. One here will go, would be your test score, and then your test score here. And then on Friday, you're going to end up turning this in. So I hope that helps you just a little bit, and practice away.